Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix quiet message sounds on iPhone. Now, for us to get this done, there are a couple of things that we are going to do. The number one thing is if you're using 15 models and below, I want you to go ahead and check the button on the upper left. And then what you're going to do is basically just switch it. If you are using, say, 15 or 16 models and above, you can just go ahead and long press that one. And it's just going to change it to ring mode. So from silent mode. Now here, what you're going to do next is click on the settings right here, and then we're going to go ahead and sounds and haptics. And in the ringtone alerts, most likely the volume here is down to the lowest. So I want you to go ahead and adjust that to the highest here as much as possible. And then you can go over to the text tone right here. You can go ahead and click this one. And in order for you to make changes, just go ahead and choose something right here. Now I'm going to go ahead and close this one, and we're going to go over to the notifications. Now in the notifications, you have to ensure that notification is enabled here. What you can do is head over to messages and then click this one, and then make sure that the allow notification is turned on just like so. And you can go over down below also in order to check a different kind of alerts that you want for this particular application. Now, critical alerts, make sure these two are enabled. All right, and from here, we're going to go over to the other one. We have focus. Now, if you head over to focus, if any of these are turned on, then that could be a problem. So especially if you have do not disturb turned on. Now, what you're going to do is I want you to go over and basically just scroll down here, and then you're going to locate focus. Go ahead and long press on that, and then you have to ensure that none of these are highlighted, because that means it is turned on. I'm going to show you how it looks. Click do not disturb, and you can see that now it's turned on. And yeah, that's just going to make things more difficult for you. So again, long press, and then you're going to go ahead and then check do not disturb. Another thing is Face ID and passcode. If you are going to head over here, you should be able to scroll down here for something called attention aware features. You have to disable this one. What it does is that if you are facing your phone, the notification is most likely going to be toned down, or it's going to be quiet. So that's not going to be very helpful. Now, last but not the least, I want you to head over to the messages right here, and you should be able to see this icon right here, this silent icon. Go ahead and long press that one. And what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and click here where it says show alerts. Click that, and you can see that now it's done. Again, everybody, that is how you're going to get this done. I hope this video helps you out.